take a problem. Sine 12 pi t is there. That this signal is periodic or not, we have to find. It is a single signal. So what is the formula we will use? We already find that t equal to 2s pi by omega naught. Okay, this formula will used. Okay, to check its periodicity. Okay. What is the omega naught? Omega naught is this below. Omega naught equal to 2s pi. Then what is the below? 2s pi by omega naught. 2s pi by omega naught equal to 12. This is 1 by 6. So what is this? This is a fundamental period. Okay? This is a sine theta, so it is already a sinusoidal periodic signal, and 1 by 6 is nothing but the fundamental period of the signal. So you can write like that also. Fundamental or period of the signal is only one signal is there, so this is the smallest time period of the signal. That's why we can say like that, fundamental period. Equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Another signal is given, x of t equal to cos of thrice by 4t minus sine of 6 by 11t. Okay. So can you find this one? For this second number problem, we have to use the formula, that is 1 is t equal to n t1 or m t2. Another is m by n. Another is t1 by t2. M by n should be rational number. These are the information we have to use. That's right. So, or you can say the LCM of T1 or T2 should give the T value. Okay, let us solve. What is the here omega 1? The omega 1 equal to 4 by 3 by 4. What is omega 2? It is 6 by 11. Okay. So, what is the T1 then? We have to find T1, no? What is the T1 then? T1 equal to 2s pi by omega naught, means 2s pi by omega 1, means 2s pi and 3 by 4. Okay, 8 by 3 pi. Understood? Similarly, omega 2 equal to 6 by 11 is given. So what is the T2? T2 equal to 2s pi by omega 2. 2s pi by omega 2 means 2s pi by 6 by 11 means 22 by 6 pi. Or you can write what you can write? You can write this 2 cancel 6 3. Okay, 11 by 3. So one is 8 by 3. pi, other is 11 by 3 pi. So one condition should satisfy this second condition. What is that? T1 by T2 should be in the form of m by n, okay? Or the value should be a rational number. What is T1? T1 is 8 by 3 pi. What is T2? T2 is 11 by 3 pi. Understood? This pi cancel. Okay, pi cancel. And if this 3 goes up, then or if down, 3 cancel means it is 8 by 11. Understood? Here the condition, this you can think about as a n. Okay, this you can think as a n. Okay, so we can find the value of m or n, or you can another condition is that this value also a rational number. Okay, or you can write like this to make it more clear. You can write, since T1 by T2 is a rational number. What is called rational number? Can you say what is called rational number? Since T1 by T2 is a rational number, can you say the so x of t is a periodic signal. Can you say what is called rational number? So since T1 by T2 is a rational number, so xt is a periodic signal. Okay. Anybody, any idea what is rational number? Rational number are any number which is from a by b. Okay, a by b means 1 by 2 or 3 by 4. Number p by q form, yes, p by q form you can write also, or a by b also you can write. These are a rational number. This 4 also rational number. Why? Because if the below 1 is there. Okay, so these are a rational number. So we have find that xt is a periodic signal. Okay, so with how many period it will periodic signal? We have with condition this we are able to say that xt is a periodic signal. With how many period? So we can say that with the period t equal to n of t1. What is the value of n? N is how much? N is m by n 11. Okay, t1 is, you can say t1 is 8 by 3 pi. So with a period of 8 pi by 3. Okay, 88 pi by 3. Understood? Cos 3 by 4t minus sin 6 by 11t is a periodic signal with a period 88 pi by 3. Any doubt? After finding T1 and T2, we are try to find the condition, whether it is satisfy the condition or not. We say see that the condition T1 by T2 satisfied, means it shows a rational number. So like that we are able to find the periodic signal. Okay. So let's do another problem. Suppose xt is given whether this signal is periodic or non-periodic, we have to check. Understood? So how will solve? Can you able to do this? Here omega naught, omega 1 is given 4. What is the T1 then? Twice pi by omega 1 means 4, means pi by 2. What is omega 2 here? Omega 2 equal to 8 pi. Then what is T2? T2 equal to twice pi by omega 2. Omega 2 means 8 pi. 5 pi cancel 1 by 4. Understood? Now we have to check the condition. Now what is the condition? T1 by T2. T1 is pi by 2. What is the value of T2? T2 is 1 by 4. Okay. Now if you bring this 4 up, so what will be the value? Can say twice pi. This twice pi, can you say whether it is rational number or irrational number? This is a irrational number. Okay, this is not a rational, because if there has some pi or some root 2, root 7, those are a irrational number. Okay, so this condition does not fulfill. This T1 by T2 equal to m by n is a rational number. Since you have to write like that, since T1 by T2 is a irrational number, so the given signal is a what? Aperiodic signal. Is a non-periodic or is aperiodic signal or non-periodic signal. Okay, understood? The question of what is examine or check. Okay, examine the periodicity, or signal is periodic or not. Yes. So we have come to conclusion that the signal is aperiodic signal. So that's why we have no need to go further to find the periodic signal, period of the signal, because the signal is aperiodic signal. Okay. So I think it's about to 2 o'clock, and so we have another class at 3 o'clock. Please join with the same link.